Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 2. This is Section 2.3, Problem 2. It says write the fraction in simplest form, and we have 25 over 65. So to write a fraction in simplest form, you want to find the biggest value that will divide evenly into both the numerator and the denominator. And in this case, it's 5. 5 divides into 25 5 times, and 5 divides into 65 13 times. And if you have to, you can just go off to the side and divide it in. 5 goes into 6 once. 1 times 5 is 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring down the 5. Then 5 goes into 15 3 times, and it goes in evenly. So I could see that it was 13. If you can't, you just do the division out. But in simplest form, 25 over 65 reduces to 5 over 13.